What's up, you guys? Today we have my 2005 Chevy Trailblazer, which I got at an auction for $850. And so yeah, first of all, this truck did not come with bumper, two fenders, or the hood. Because I saw these three at a junkyard. Bumper online. Roughly all this cost me probably like $220 to get all together. Luckily there was no damage, no frame damage, no nothing. I'm not sure exactly what was wrong with this truck. It just didn't come with none of this. So I'm guessing a little fender bender, I'm not sure, because these aren't broken. All you can see right here is a little pop. So what I did was, it's running on 33s right now, and you can look at them. It has some wear to them. Not the best, but I'm telling you, the other ones were down to the wire. So I picked these up, pair of three, for about, I want to say $120, just to get it off the ground and, you know, actually run. So as you can see, all of this was all oiled up. So now you can see it's just bare metal. I had to degrease it because it was really bad down here. You can see how that, should I get in here? This CV axle was, you can see it is ripped right there. This popped, so this is blown. These bushings are blown. Way down here, you can see that. Oh, how awesome what a good job they did. So I'm gonna put my it doesn't have a wheel well cover, so I'm gonna order that, put it on it. Come to this side, same thing. I decreased everything I could. Suspension wise, it looks way better than over on the other side. You see how the other one they welded it, and right here they have a bolt. The other one, I guess they just welded it because they didn't have a bolt, but the bushings are gone. So I'm gonna change everything on this side just to be safe. Once again, I'm gonna add the wheel well to this, make it look better. I'm gonna paint it, make it look nice. And oh, here's the other tire I did not replace when I got it off the auction. See, it barely has any tread left, but it runs fine. But then again, that's just cosmetics. The inside, let's check the inside out. I had it for 2 weeks, so it was very filthy. Whoever had these didn't take care of it. The seats were all stained. I still need to extract these, so that's coming. I'll make a video on that. I'm gonna do a full detail on this bad boy. I'm gonna take the whole seats, everything out of here, clean the carpets, and you know, only good thing in here was this. But this TV up here, that's blown, it's gone, not working. They had to tape it up here. So, I mean, it's all gonna get changed out. What else? Again, this liner up here is all gonna get changed out, get cleaned. What else? Let's go back here. You know, this does not look bad. That's because I cleaned it up a little bit. It's not detailed. I'm currently trying to take these back seats out and, you know, work my way up to the front so I can detail this bad boy. It is missing this panel here on the side. It's missing, and it has this cup in here. I don't know what the hell is that doing in here. But yeah, it runs good. It runs really good for what it is. For $800, that thing got a steal. And down here, let's go down here. As you can see, it has all of this. Look at this. Look at that. This is the part I did not degrease yet, but everything else all degreased. I was painting the frame a little bit. Not the best work I've done, but it was rusting a lot, as you can see. It has fog shocks, pretty good. You can see some paint that dripped, but once again, this is not a show truck. This is nothing. I'm gonna convert this into like a off-road bad boy. Since I can't afford a Jeep right now, so just look at the other paint. All of this is gonna be painted black. This is gonna get, all of this is gonna be brand new, so it'll fit in perfectly. Go towards the back. I'm gonna throw up some pictures of the before and after. As you can see, this was all rusted out, and to make it look a little bit better, you can see some drips, but once again, I don't really care. See the bottom right here? All of this was rusted out. I just threw some paint on it, make it look good. Not the best work, but hey, what you gonna do for 800 bucks? This piece right here needs to come off. I'm thinking about getting a new exhaust pipe, keeping the muffler the way it is, just extending it from here all the way up to here, and putting a pipe that goes from here maybe to the side, make it look good. Probably a black tip, like a 4-inch tip, 3.5. We'll see about that. Trying to take the bolts out. So dirty, but y'all want to stay along and let's open the hood. Let's open the hood real quick. Steel. Kind of makes it look like Mad Max, but it's all gonna get painted black to match. The front will be all black. My tinted windshield. Put a roof rack. What else I want to do, man? Headlights, change them out. Fine, sounds good. It has a deep tone to it. Pretty good, looks pretty clean. Just no, this is all just oil and grease. So I'm gonna degrease all this in a future video. Make it look good. I'm gonna definitely get a new setup for this battery, because this battery is not sitting well for me. But the battery got it checked out and it's good to go. So when we got this, it didn't have no oil coolant. The spark plugs were blown. The air filter was clogged up to the point where the truck wasn't even breathing. Chicken engine light was on. What else? A lot of stuff. This belt down here was frayed, so we had to replace this. So what else? Everything, spark plugs would change. We did a whole tune up on this truck. Took everything out, anything that we could replace. Transmission fluid, we changed it out. Filters, differential fluid, everything got changed out, brand new. And only thing we're gonna do this to this truck next is the engine motor mounts. They're truck kind of vibrates when it's on neutral when you're changing, but it goes away. It's nothing so serious, but those are gonna get changed out. What else? So yeah, I mean, it looks pretty good. Let me turn it on and y'all can hear the truck, how it sounds. As you can see, there's no check engine light. There's pressure's good, oil's temperature's good, battery's good. It's all good, but I'll definitely you know, show you guys the process of this car getting built. But yeah, I plan on putting a roof rack up there with some light bars. Really making this truck a off-roading beast. There we go, the lights on. This is pretty nice. Yeah, I'm definitely in the market for another vehicle. That one's gonna be more of a everyday kind of car or truck, depending on what I'm gonna get. I think I'm going with I want to get like a 3rd gen. I'm not sure if I want to go gas and then convert it to a diesel, depending on the price. There's one in mind that I got. But if y'all want to wait, subscribe and see what I'm gonna buy within a few weeks, and see maybe a week or 2, who knows, you know, just waiting to see it. If it comes back, if I could go ahead and buy it. It's not from a dealer, it's more for like a private sale. That's it, man. See you guys at the next one. Peace.